Hello, welcome to Easy English Daily. Today, I will tell you a story. It is about a bad day at a restaurant. Listen carefully. Hello. Excuse me.
What would you like?
I would like chicken and rice.
Okay,
And a glass of water, please?
sure.
Excuse me.
Yes?
This is fish.
Oh,
I ordered chicken.
I'm very sorry.
It's okay.
I will change it. Here is your chicken.
Thank you.
Is everything okay?
The food is cold.
I'm very sorry.
It's okay. I will eat it. Excuse me. Can I have the bill?
Yes, of course.
Oh, this is too expensive.
Let me check. Oh no, this is the wrong bill.
I see.
Here is the correct bill.
Here is the money.
Thank you.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Repeat after them.
Are you ready to order? What would you like? I'm very sorry. I will change it. Is everything okay?
Excuse me. I would like chicken and rice. It's okay. I will eat it. Excuse me means polite way to get attention. I would like means polite way to order. I'm sorry means to say sorry. It's okay means no problem. This is wrong means not correct. Did you understand the story? Was Anna happy or unhappy? Tell me in the comments. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.